Number 1 on our top 5 things you can do with a GoPro: sports. And we're all about the sports, aren't we, AJ?
Shouldn't have done that. Oh yeah, all about sports.
Number 2 on my list is those high-octane action shots. You ready for this? Because it's going to be quick.
Action. Number 3 is testing out the hyper smooth, and I can think of no better way of doing that than playing a quick game of catch.
Okay.
Yeah? Look at this, I'm shaking the camera, it's not moving. You ready? And catch. Oh. I feel less bad about giving this camera away if it's broken. So, I'm going to do overhead catch.
Okay, you're making me nervous. We've got to give this away. Oh.
Quick, cut it. Cut it. Hyper smooth. Catch didn't quite work out. But one thing you can do with it is make yourself a cinema dolly. And we've got just the thing to do it. Sure, you can put the GoPro in some kind of awkward places, hide it where you wouldn't expect. I mean, you can use it for transitions, little effects, hiding the camera in places you wouldn't normally expect. But I've got a trick that's a personal favourite, and one that Pete definitely won't expect. It's called the hidden camera prank.
Please make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes and let yourself relax. Take a few slow, deep breaths and notice that as you exhale, you can feel yourself becoming more relaxed. As I speak to you.
AJ! A super slow-mo I wanted to do now.
What, do it super slow, eh?
Super slow-mo!
That was normal speed.
Whoa, is the light alright?
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. You're not meant to start yet.
Well, you gave me the gun, I'm going to shoot, aren't
You
I?
nearly hit me. I was just trying to... Hey, AJ, for goodness sake. Right, you can hold your own targets up. Like, it's meant to be about...
You alright?
Let's just get it finished, yeah.
Which bit didn't you like?
The toilet bit and getting shot again. To be honest, I've had enough of it. It's like I can't get any peace.
So if you're a fan of Pete's toilet scenes, then let us know and we'll keep them in. I like to think, I agree with Ryan who commented that he says they're kind of like our signature move now.
Andy Green, go f yourself.
Andy requested a signature Pete shout out.
Yeah, keep up the good work, especially the interview you did with an artist lady. It was really good, and her work is epic as well.
Oh, there you go.
Below the video is the competition link. If you entered last month's competition, it's ever so easy. Just click on the link and confirm through the link the actions that are listed.
And if you're new here, hi.
Oh, hi, this is AJ. He's a hobbit and he's a hat collector, And I don't always find myself on the toilet in front of the camera.
I mean, 9 times out of 10 in these videos, Pete's on the toilet. So you've got to bear that in mind if you're subscribing. You're going to see Pete on the toilet occasionally.
Yeah, we're sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry, I can only apologise.
But there is other content as well. It's not just...
It doesn't get much better than this though.
Hopefully, if this goes well, and we haven't destroyed it with the toilet scene, there could be a monthly giveaway with SLR Hut.
Off camera. We're not giving this away though, are we? I'm going to keep this, aren't I?
The whole deal with SLR Hut was for a giveaway.
Yeah, but I mean, I can keep it though, can't I?
I've got to be honest, I don't think they would have sent it to us if we weren't doing the giveaway. They liked what we did before, and off the back of that, it's for a giveaway.
But I want to keep it. Apparently, I'm having to give this away to someone. You'll have my fingerprints all over it. You know, I might actually engrave my name on the back as well, so it makes it kind of useless. This is a bonus to anyone. This is actually being on my body.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Why did you sniff it?
I don't know. I took a deep inhale as well. That's kind of awkward.
And you could win the GoPro Hero 7 Black,
Yeah.
which I'm going to reluctantly give away. I'm going to steal it. Bye.